Venus is the second planet from Sun and it is named after Roman goddess of love and beauty. Venus is 109 million km away from Sun and possible opposition distance between Earth and Venus is 38 million km, which is any closed planet to Earth. Farthest ever Venus gets from Earth is 261 million km. Light takes 2 minutes and 13 seconds to travel from Venus to Earth. Venus is also called as Earth's sister planet because of its similar size, mass, proximity to the Sun and bulk composition. Atmospheric pressure at planet's surface is 92 times that of Earth, or roughly pressure found is 900 meter under ocean water on Earth. Venus is by far the hottest planet in the solar system with a mean surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius, which is enough to melt anything. Venus is surrounded by an opaque layer of highly reflective clouds of sulfuric acid, preventing its surface from being seen from space in visible light. It may have had water oceans in the past, but this would have vaporized as the temperature rose, due to runaway greenhouse effect. Venus' surface has slab-like rock and periodically resurfaced by volcanism. It was the first planet beyond Earth visited by spacecraft Mariner 2 in 1962 and the first to be successfully landed on Venera 7 in 1970. Venus has its longest day. One day actually lasts longer than 1 year. Reaching Venus can take about 2,400 hours as it is 38 million km away from Earth, but finding a landing site is practically impossible. Venus' entire surface is permanently covered in clouds made of poisonous sulfur dioxide gases. As you anyhow pass through these gases, you would be struck by 220 miles per hour winds. 25 miles down the winds subside and you will enter a toxic haze. Clouds in Venus rain sulfuric acid, but the atmosphere is so warm, the rain evaporates in midair, generating smog of sulfuric acid which is nearly 9 km thick. As you exit the smog, the temperature now is 500 degrees Fahrenheit and the pressure is 10 times greater than at sea level here on Earth. By the time you reach the surface, the pressure will be 90 times greater, the same pressure you feel half a mile under oceans on Earth, and the temperature is 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hot enough to melt anything. Now let's say anyhow if you reach down there, exploring Venus would be extremely difficult. Venus's clouds reflect all of sunlight that hits them, so the surface is dim light, making it hard to see anything beyond 3 kilometers. Plus you will need a continuous supply of oxygen. Venus' atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen and less than 1% carbon monoxide, argon, sulfur dioxide and water vapor. Then because of high ultra radiation there is a risk of blood and skin diseases. The only advantage on Venus is that you would only weigh 15% less than here on Earth. Until the 20th century that spacecrafts studied about Venus and its faulty behavior. It was only Soviet Union who successfully landed its 8 uncrewed spacecrafts on Venus. The longest any lasted was just 2 hours. It's been long since we sent anything to explore Venus' surface. So no country dares to send their representatives on this dangerous planet.
So friends, if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you do have any query, then please comment me down below. Thank you.